Java programming. We have already dealt with the arrays and the looping statement for loop. We shall work out two more problems to understand the use of for loop and the arrays. In this exercise, we are going to input some numbers into an array and sort these numbers using bubble sort technique, which I am very sure you are familiar with. You have done it earlier. So again, coming back to, we shall save this program as input sort.java. So here you have got imported scanner and formatter, which we need for inputting and formatting the output. So we come to main here, and in that main, first thing is I declare an array X of integer type, which can contain at the most 20. As you remember, we are using this new keyword to allocate memory to this variable called X. Then I create an object scanner, which will help us to input data into this array. With that, we have the title of this program, and then I get the number, how many numbers I would like to input into the array. So that is n. I use this next int method of scanner and then input a value for n in that. And with that, we input now n numbers for I is equal to 1 to n here. So scanner next integer, automatically n numbers are going to be assigned to the array X. So this is the first part of inputting n numbers into an array. Now we come to the sorting part of it, where we use the bubble sort. And if, as you remember, the algorithm is for I is 1 to n minus 1, for j is equal to 1 to n minus I. If x of j is greater than x of j plus 1, then you do the swapping. That is what is done here. And at the end of this, these two loops, we will have all the numbers arranged in the ascending order. If I want to do the descending order, then you have to say if j is less than j plus 1, and all the other things remain the same. So this way we have sorted these numbers, and now we print the sorted array numbers, and with that we come to the end of the program. Let us see here. So first we compile this Java input sort.java. Then using Java virtual machine, we do execute the program. The title of the program is here. How many numbers? I've entered 7 and entered 7 numbers. And after sorting, we have all the 7 numbers here in the increasing order of numbers. So this is how we have inputted n numbers, sorted them using bubble sort, and displayed the content of the array. With that, we come to the second exercise. Again, here we will input n numbers into the array, and our task is to find out the maximum number and its location in the array. So we name this program as maxnum.java, and here is the main. Again, we declare x array, which can contain at the most 20 numbers. Then we declare two more variables, max and location, to store the maximum number and its location. Here we create that scanner object, we title, and we input the value for n here. Then here we input n numbers into this array, and then we assign the first number x of 1 to max and 1 to location, because the first number we consider to be max at the moment, and then we will go through the whole list and find the max number and assign it to max. That is being done. So then for I is equal to, need not be 1, 2 to n you could do, and then if x of I is greater than max, you assign that number to max and the value of I, that is the location, to location. And at the end of this section, the max will contain the maximum number and location will contain the location of that number. So we again display the content of the array, and then the largest number is max at location, at this location. So this is the complete program to find the maximum number in an array and its location. So again, we compile it max number.java. You use Java, the virtual machine, to execute this program. Title is there. How many numbers? This time I am entering 5 numbers. So we have entered 5 numbers, and you display these 5 numbers. As you see, 50 is the largest number. It is at the third position. So here the largest number is 50 at location 3. So this way we have solved this problem. Similarly, you could do quite a lot of these exercises. It is very important that you do as many exercises so that you learn how to input, how to write the program, how to debug the program, and how to get the results. So you will have here again entering some numbers and arranging them in the ascending order or descending order using selection sort. Then enter some numbers and find the standard deviation of those numbers using this formula. Then again smallest number and its location. Then I've got two programs here, mode and median, based on statistics. So find the mode, the number which occurs maximum number of times in the array, and median is the middle number. First you have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order and then find the middle number, and that is going to be the median. And of course here one more problem, to reverse the content of an array, not just display in a reverse order, but the array should contain the reverse numbers in the reversing order. So these are some of the exercises. I wish all of you do these exercises and thus learn how to program using Java. Thank you very much.